Hello guys, today I'll show you how to trade the market, type of market here. So make sure you look trade on BTC/USDT pair USDT. So you must have money in your USDT, and also you have to watch here the high 24-hour and the low 24-hour. So you trade between this. That's not high risk. So I will trade market. I wanna trade 41,830 or 20 now. So you can adjust this the price. This $900. So you can click buy if you want. That's 11 now. Oh, okay. I want this price. 777. No. Okay, this price. Okay. So you come up here. You want to see what price that you buy. It's the price is this 41,800. You spend 904 dollar. So what price that you want to sell? Wow. Okay, so now I want to sell it by using also market. Okay, I remember it must be above 41,800 because we bought it at 41,800, but I don't want to wait. I want to show you how to use market with in Binance. Yeah, so maybe here you click all here. You click all. Your amount is this. Maybe I lost $2. Okay, and then we use market here to sell. But I don't want to wait, so I want to show you. I agree that I will lose. Okay, so I lost this price. Click sell. Okay, go to check. Okay, so you lost $1, yeah, because you bought or you sell it not above this price. It's under this price. But I want to show you how to use the market. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye. See you in the next lesson.